Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to fix Facebook application session expired error. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you're trying to use your Facebook account, but if you see this kind of a message right here that says session expired, please log in again. Then the first thing to do is to simply clear out all of the apps that are running on your background on your Android device. Go to your Facebook app one more time and try logging in again. Type in your credentials correct and tap the login button. The next thing to do is to go tap open your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in Facebook. Once you make your search, you'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result. If you see an open button popping up right next to it, it means your application is up to date and there is no need to be doing that right now. But if you see an update button, simply tap on update and update the latest version of Facebook application on your smartphone. Once you have the updated version, tap open your Facebook app from the app drawer. Try logging into your account now and see if that fixes your issue. The next thing to do, if nothing else works out, is to clear your cache and data from Facebook app. Sometimes, because of the piling up cache data on your smartphone might be the main cause your application is not being able to work as it normally used to. So in that case, go to the settings button from your Android device. Once you tap it open, go through the options and select apps. Find Facebook from the list of the apps displayed, tap it on, and now tap on storage. In order to clear out your cache data, simply tap on clear cache at the lower right hand corner. Click on clear data button at the bottom left hand corner as well and tap on OK in the pop-up. Now, once you've done that, simply tap open your Facebook app, log in back to your account one more time by entering your credentials. And once you do, see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever your Facebook app session expired message keeps popping up while operating Facebook. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.